Fatty liver. Due to its major role in fat metabolism, liver the common site for accumulation of fat. Depending upon the cause and amount of accumulation of fat, this fat change may be mild or severe, which not control actively. Mainly it lead to injury, cell death also. Etiology condition which excess fat. Obesity, congenital hyperlipidemia, diabetes mellitus, liver cell damage. It includes the condition in which fat metabolism due to liver cell injury. Alcoholic liver disease, most common cause hepatotoxin, carbon tetrachloride, ether, chloroform, protein, calorie, malnutrition, starvation. Drug include liver cell injury, hypoxia, chronic illness like tuberculosis, pathogenesis. Normally the lipid enter the liver cell by following two sources from diet as chylomicron and free fatty acid, from adipose tissue as free fatty acid. In fatty liver, the intracellular accumulation of triglyceride may occur due to increased entry of free fatty acid into the liver, increased synthetic of fatty acid by liver, decreased formation of lipoprotein from triglyceride, blockage in the exertion of lipoprotein from liver into the plasma. In most of the cases of fatty liver, one or more of the above mentioned mechanism may be involved. Grossly, the fatty liver appear to be enlarged with dense glycine capsule, rounded margin. Microscopically, it shows presence of numerous lipid vacuoles in the cytoplasm of hepatocytes. Clinical feature. Initially, there are no symptoms. In late stage of disease, it may lead to abdomen pain, mainly localized in the right hypochondrium, feeling of fullness in the abdomen, loss of appetite, erectus, fatigue. Diagnosis: elevated liver enzyme, SGOT, SGPT, LDH, lactate dehydrogenase, alkaline phosphate, deranged lipid profile. Ultrasonography show bright liver with increase in cogenicity in case of fatty liver. Liver elastography imaging is very helpful to the degree of fibrosis in fatty liver. Histological diagnosis by liver biopsy in the accurate method to measure the degree of fibrosis. Treatment: aerobic activity 30 minutes at least for week, exercise, multi-like per protein rich diet, proper control of diabetes mellitus is present, straight weight loss in average protein to avoid further risk. Complication: lipid lowering medication like solution should be used as per requirement. Complication: NASH, non-alcoholic steatohepatization, hepatitis, ascites, portal hypertension, liver cirrhosis.